balance when it all seems like too much and overwhelming. Child's pose. Bala in Sanskrit means child. It also means strength. So I want to do child's pose today so we can find some collective strength for our nation, which is grieving, and for the future of our children. So yoga is about being in the moment and being present with what is. Knees apart, bolster, so it's a restorative child's pose. Make space, build up as much as you have. You can bring the bolster blanket right into the belly. So you're gonna lift up and over. You really wanna let yourself be held here. Turn your face to one side. Let your arms just release down. So there's an evenness to the spine and you're not feeling pushed or pulled anywhere in the body. With the bolster in the low belly, you can really feel the breath across the wings of the kidneys, right? So this pose is very restorative, right? It's a nice way to charge your batteries. If you have your head turned to one side, make sure you spend equal time with your head turned the other way. And a really nice accessory, if you have it, is to put a sandbag across the sacrum, especially if you feel any tension in your neck, because it just, again, brings you more into the legs, which frees the breath. Let this pose restore you. Let this pose give you strength. Bala means strength. Yoga Therapy Thursday.